Hello everyone, to all small YouTubers, small content creators. I know sobrang hirap makakuha ng 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber. It's so hard. Like I experienced that one. And today our topic is paano makakuha ng 4,000 watch hours sa YouTube in just 7 days. How to get 40 watch hours in just 7 days in YouTube. At sobrang hirap. It's so hard. Literal, napakahirap po talaga siya. But, I will give you 3 specific steps so that you can get 4K watch hours, 4,000 watch hours. And I hope makatulong to. And don't skip. Panoorin mo hanggang sa dulo dahil this is very informative and it can help everyone sa mga small YouTubers, sa nangangarap maging YouTubers, maging content creators, and I hope it will give you know, inspiration, encouragement sa lahat po. And first steps will be specific sa content mo. Maging specific ka guys kung ano yung gusto mong maging content. Like example, tutorials, like I'm doing this, like a tutorials or reaction video sa mga kanta, sa mga singers, sa Hollywood locals man, or sa mga cooking show, sa fashion, sa sports, sa arts, anything, be specific po. Be specific. Number two will be sure your titles and descriptions exactly of your content. Diyan po tayo nagkakamali kasi yung content natin at yung titles natin at description natin, kahit ano lang nilalagay natin, be specific po guys sa titles at descriptions para ma-recommend ni YouTube kasi sobrang dami natin sa buong mundo, lahat gumagamit ng social media, gumagamit ng YouTube. Kung isi-search nila yan, makahanap yung content mo. I-recommend ni YouTube for sure, because it's happened to me. And number three, lastly, napaka-importante po talaga as small content creator na kagaya ko, nangangarap din. Yes, I want to help you guys. Number three will be consistent lang sa pag-upload. Just it. Be consistent. Like every day. Just every day. Maging consistent ka lang sa pag-upload ng content mo. Maging specific ka lang. Yung description mo, yung titles mo, yung araw-araw mong gawin. For sure, dadami yung views at watch hours mo. For sure, madali lang makuha yung 4,000 watch hours in just 7 days or even like 3 days, 4 days, not just 7 days. It's just easy guys. Yeah. I hope nakatulong po and don't forget to like and subscribe kung nagustuhan mo yung ginawa nating tutorials for today's video. And if you have suggestions, recommendations, you and comment down below. Thank you so much guys. Please help each other. We can help each other. Small content creators sa mga nagsisimula pa lang po. Thank you. God bless. And yeah, the best is yet to come. Thank you. Love ya.